I don't fancy myself a wacko prepper or anything. I fancy myself more of a Boy Scout, which the motto is, always be prepared. So part of the experiment was to gather a bunch of these things, which I consider to be shelf stable and would last a while, and test out the viability of how long they would last. So the Bear Creek, this is rice, not soup. I misspoke earlier. It was the second product to come out of the test. The first one was everybody's favorite ramen. Now, I'm going to try not to crinkle it too terribly much. This one, let's see, best by date month, October 24th of 2013. So just slightly a little bit older. The ramen did not hold up. It was stale. And there's no fixing that. Now, what we determined is this is just noodles and a little dry pack. The dry pack's fine. It's inside of a foil pouch. There's two things to consider. This package is extremely flimsy compared to this package, so it's probably more air permeable, I suspect. I'm hypothesizing. Additionally, the noodles are made with vegetable oil. Vegetable oil has a tendency to go sour or rancid, and when you cook with it, it can smell a little fishy when it goes off. So this uses vegetable oil, and this uses partially hydrogenated soybean oil. So it didn't go off and lasted a bit longer. Like I said, this started in 2012. This is 2023, December 2023, about to be 2024. So the experiment's over. 10 years old, almost 14 years old, but this pack was out for almost 10 years past date, and this pack was out by easily 10 years by the best by date, and I'm still alive after eating both. So for anybody who knows me, they know that I like to do experiments. I'm a sciencey data kind of person. So I started an experiment a while back, actually in 2012, and this is kind of the result of the experiment. So if you've ever seen these soup packets in the store, Bear Creek's a great one. Aldi has a brand. We actually got this at Big Lots for $2. This is a 10.8 ounce package of the cheddar broccoli rice mix. Just add water and dun dun dun. This expired or was best by 2014. And I have a note that this was packed away in 2012. There it is, all cooked. Now for a bite. Bon appetit. It tastes like broccoli and cheese rice, which I'm not a huge fan of. It tastes fine. It tastes like, it's powdered cheese and dehydrated broccoli served with rice. So, it tastes fine. And as for the old ramen pack, don't throw it away. Pull out the little packet of chicken flavored whatever. It's essentially bouillon in a little Mylar pouch. Mylar keeps these things together forever. Crinkle, crinkle. Break it up a little bit. This is great if you're sick, upset stomach, whatever, you need clear fluids. This puts some salt back in you, because mostly it is salt, which salt is an electrolyte, blah, blah, blah. As for the noodles, break them up and throw them out in the yard. Something's going to eat them. Don't necessarily, dispose of them next to the house. Put them someplace where squirrel, birds, raccoons, possums, worms can eat them. Our plan is to toss them out in either the compost area, compost bin, or under the bird feeder. And maybe the cats will eat them. Who knows? So we're going to throw them out and then further experiment to see who actually eats these. Because I'm not going to eat anymore. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.